So we're going to do a really simple but beautiful mushroom potato curry today. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's healthy, it's tasty, it's quick, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so roughly equal parts in volume of mushrooms and potatoes. It's like 3 cups there. That's 250 grams of mush. Cut them quite, fairly chunky. 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of onion, chili, up to you how much you want to put in. We've got some garlic ginger paste there, that's a tablespoon. In there I've got 5 powders today. So we've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin, and this one here is garam masala powder. We're going to start this off with a few cumin seeds, oil, we'll add some salt, lovely. So I've got there about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil today, use a different oil if you want. Got some cumin seeds here. A couple of teaspoons. And then the potatoes. You can see I've cut those potatoes quite small. In they go. And just for about 4 minutes, let me grab a spoon. We're going to throw them around and give them a nice head start. So these potatoes are still hard, but we give them a nice little head start. 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced. Chop it smaller if you want. I'm going to get some salt in the mix. I'm now going to add my fresh chili. That's up to you how much you want to put in. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 minutes. We're on and above medium heat, by the way. So as we zoom in here, it's a good time for me to ask you guys to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. Fabulous, really love this one. Okay, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. We make our own because we use so much of it, but you can buy it in jars, ready-made, depending on where you live, of course. Next up, our mush. In they go, some chunky cut. Again, cut them much smaller if you want. I kind of like them as a bit more of a feature in here. Keep it moving all the time now, about another 3 minutes. So the mushrooms are cooking down nicely, reducing down in size. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. Try and use a nice juicy ripe, tomato that is, not onion. Try and use a nice juicy one. Okay, let's look at our powders. So I've got turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander and garam masala powder, all going to go in now. And stay on this vibrant heat. Throw this around. If you've used a nice juicy tomato, ripe tomato like I have, you're going to get a little bit of moisture from that. I'll be back, I don't know, 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving. Look at that, the tomatoes have turned into a nice, beautiful sauce for us. Check that for salt, off goes the heat. A little bit of cilantro or coriander in at the end. Let me give that a little mix. Get that on a plate, that is fabulous, really fabulous. Okay, and there you go, absolutely wonderful. Fairly dry. I like to eat that one with bread, naan, paratha, roti, whatever. You can have it with rice if you like. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy, quick, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.